Hey guys, it's Artrisa Lynn. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you my highly requested deep conditioning routine. So first, I'm going to be going in with one of my favorite deep conditioners by Beautiful Lengths and just put this on the perimeter of my hair, front and back. Then I divide my hair into 4 sections and start working on each section one by one. I get deep conditioner and I work my way up, starting from the bottom to the top. I also use a little oil. This time I'm using Jamaican black castor oil. I add more deep conditioner as needed. I just want to make sure that each section is completely saturated with the deep conditioner before I start detangling. Once the deep conditioner is on all the hair in that section, I start to comb my hair out using a wide tooth comb, starting from the bottom, working my way up to the top. And just to keep my hair out of the way, I braid each section after I'm finished detangling it. I then repeat the same steps on the remaining sections. So now it is time to prep for the bonnet dryer. I'm just clipping my braids up. I like to sit under a bonnet dryer when I deep condition so that it can really penetrate my hair and I can get all the benefits of the deep conditioner. So I'm using the bonnet dryer attachment by Golden Hot that I picked up at Sally's, and it just easily slips on to the end of my blow dryer. So I'm not really sure why I chose to use one hand to put this on, but anyway, I did, and that is why I am struggling. Usually it goes on with ease. You just slip this over your head. I set it on low heat and I sit under for about 15 minutes. Now, I usually deep condition my hair once a week. I do not miss deep conditioning days, and each time that I have a hair wash day, I deep condition prior to doing my normal step-by-step routine. And I don't know about you guys, but while I'm sitting under the dryer, I like to pass the time listening to a little music, you know. Okay, and after 15 minutes and a mini concert, I am ready to rinse the deep conditioner out of my hair, and this is what it looks like. I have no product in it yet, and look at those curls. They are popping and my hair is so soft. I will link my top 5 favorite deep conditioners in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!